Meltio's technology was conceived to rethink manufacturing, not just 3D printing, but also traditional manufacturing, such as castings, forgings, and subtractive machining. There are several key strengths of our technology which benefit a wide range of industries. There's a unique capability to produce metal parts in multiple materials using metal wire or metal powder, independently or simultaneously. There's the open materials platform. This means you can purchase materials from Meltio directly, or you can acquire commercially available materials from any source in the market. Our process produces fully dense parts with superior microstructure, which gives very high performance material properties. Finally, we have a very clean, safe, easy to incorporate system, which is suitable for almost any work environment. Meltio has a unique business model. Not only do we have the lowest cost machine in the market, but we also use the lowest cost materials. Furthermore, our machines are open. This means you can use metal wires and metal powders directly from Meltio and obtain the benefits of our process development and material characterization, or you can acquire materials from any commercially available source. We developed an easily scalable production model, which uses multiple printers. We are aware that many of our customers like to start with a prototype before transitioning to full production. That's why we cater to both scenarios with unmatched flexibility. Our main objective was to develop a technology that's easy to implement and used in almost any work environment. Unlike other machines in the market, our machines are designed for industry, but do not require an industrial infrastructure. We've developed process parameters to achieve complex geometries, even in a 3-axis system like the M450. This allows us to create parts with overhangs, often not requiring supports you generally find in applications with other machines in the market. We've created a very interesting solution for the market with a low-cost, high-performance process that is flexible for almost any user.